Mana shunday quvonchli lahzalarda qadrli birodarim yana bir yangilikda aytdi. Pokistonning oliy davlat mukofoti Pokiston nishoni bilan taqdirlaganimni munosabati bilan tabriklaganingiz uchun va men uchun bu juda katta sharaf deb o'ylayman va bu faqat menga emas, bu e'tirof nafaqat Prezident Mirziyoyevga emas, balki butun O'zbekiston xalqiga nisbatan bildirgan samimiy hurmat va ehtirom ifodasi deb qabul qilaman.
Today, Your Excellency also surprised us with yet another great news, since you have announced that the President of Uzbekistan was awarded with the highest level award of Pakistan, Nishani Pakistan, and I received that with a great feelings of, first of all, gratitude and gratefulness. At the same time, I believe that this is a clear sign of respect and a clear sign of the close friendship and brotherly relations between the both nations, and this is a high level of the acknowledgement of this close cooperation and friendship and brotherhood, not just between the heads of the states and not towards the President of the Republic of Uzbekistan, but this is a high level of respect toward the whole people of Uzbekistan.
Albatta bugun baribir mana shu tashrif tarixiy bo'ldi deyishga hamma asoslarimiz bor. Tor doirada biz juda mukammal har bir yo'nalish bo'yicha bitta hammasini xavfsizlik bo'yicha, mudofaa bo'yicha, iqtisodiyot bo'yicha, umuman yangi kashfiyotlar bo'yicha va mana shu siyosiy nuqtai nazardan har bir yo'nalish bo'yicha bitta o'tib chiqdik. Men o'ylayman bu tarixiy tashrifligiga asos bo'lib, biz mana strategik kengashimizda ham kelishib oldik va tor doirada kelishganimiz protokolni imzoladik. Bu umuman hech qachon bundaqa protokol bo'lmagan o'zi. Tashqi ishlar vazirligida ham, men o'ylayman O'zbekistonda bo'lmagan. Bu ham bir kashfiyot bo'ldi desak to'g'ri bo'ladi. Majlisdan keyin protokolga bosh vazir bilan prezident qo'l qo'ydiki, mana shu hamma aytgan niyatlarimiz amaliy natija berishiga muhrlab qo'ydik desam, bu ham tarixiy voqea bo'ldi.
Your Excellency, dear friends, we have all the grounds and all the reasons to assure and to announce that today's discussion, today's work and the collaboration we had was a really and truly historic one, because we have discussed all the issues, all the main issues, and in a detailed manner. First of all, during our short and narrow talks, and we have discussed issues starting from the security and the defense, all the way going to economic issues, to political issues, to trade, investments, and many others. And then, as a result of those talks, we have decided that we would sign a protocol that will serve as a basis for signing the larger agreements on establishing this joint councils and joint working groups and domains to work further on those issues. And I can say that the very fact that we have decided to sign such a protocol was a historic one. It never happened in the history of Minister of Foreign Affairs work, as far as I know. And this was for the first time, and this is kind of a new discovery and a kind of a game changer, I should say, Your Excellency. And I think that we, as the heads of the two states, we have signed it as and it serves as a at the same time as a fundament basis and the sealing our both promises from the both sides that we will deliver on those areas that we discussed.
Shuni alohida ta'kidlashni istardimki, jadal rivojlanib borayotgan zamonaviy Pokiston bizning Janubiy Osiyodagi ishonchli hamkorimiz, xalqaro miqyosda katta nufuz va obro' e'tiborga ega bo'lgan salohiyatli strategik sherigimizdir.
I'd like to specifically outline that Pakistan, which is developing very rapidly and which is achieving high results and showing that modern Pakistan can achieve a high level of development. And in South Asia region, Pakistan is our very time-tested and reliable partner and closest friend.
Hurmatli bosh vazir janoblari, jahondagi hozirgi murakkab vaziyatga qaramasdan yuksak Pokiston dasturi asosida aholi farovonligi hamda jadal iqtisodiy o'sishni ta'minlash yo'lida ulkan islohotlarni amalga oshirmoqda. Pokiston davlati erishilayotgan bunday salmoqli yutuqlar yaqin birodar sifatida bizni ham, O'zbekiston xalqini ham, meni ham juda beqiyat xursand qiladi va bu yutuqlar bilan bosh vazirni va Pokiston xalqini alohida tabriklamoqchiman.
Your Excellency, Honorable Prime Minister, despite the current complex situation unfolding around the world, within the framework of the Iran-Pakistan program, large-scale reforms aimed at ensuring public welfare and accelerated economic growth are being implemented under your leadership, and such achievements of the state of Pakistan undoubtedly make us very pleased and very happy to acknowledge, since we consider ourselves as your closest friends and a brotherly nation.
Olijanob Pokiston xalqida chin do'stlik insoniyatning eng bebaho ne'mati degan ma'noli naql bor.
And the very wise, the people of Pakistan has centuries of wisdom, and the Pakistan people, they say that true friendship is the most cherishable value of humanity.
Shuning uchun bugungi betakror Islomobod shahridagi ko'chalardan biriga Toshkent nomi berilgani ana shunday yaqin birodarlik ruhini mustahkamlashga qaratilgan yuksak ehtirom ifodasidir.
And of course, the very fact that today we actually named one of the streets of Islamabad as by the name of Tashkent, this already is a clear sign of the close friendship and the brotherhood we have and respect to each other.
Va mana shu poytaxtning mana shu katta ko'chalardan birida hurmatli birodarim bosh vazir rozi bo'lganlari Zahriddin Muhammad Bobur nomidagi parkni bunyod etish, bu degani biz bir-birimizga qanday tarixda yaqin bo'lganimizni ifodasi va bugungi kun namoyandasi biz bir bo'lganimiz davomiyligi, abadiyligidan bir tasdiq deb o'ylayman va mana shu tez fursatlarda biz yuqori darajadagi hozir birodarim qo'shimcha aytib Farg'ona mahallasi bilan birga shu joyda Bobur parkini oliyjanob qilib yoshlarni eng va Islomobod xalqini yaxshi joylarga birga aylantirishga juda katta harakat qilamiz va yaqin oylarda shu tuhfani albatta Islomobod shahriga biz O'zbekistondan katta tuhfa sifatida albatta topshirishga juda katta harakat qilamiz.
And of course, I would like to especially thank my dear brother, Honorable Prime Minister, His Excellency, for accepting our suggestion and permitting to build the park named after the great ancestor Zahriddin Muhammad Babur in one of the areas of Islamabad. And this is a great sign of close friendship and collaboration between us. And also, Your Excellency have added another idea to establish the Fergana village as well. And we will do our best to deliver on your expectations, and we'll try our best to make sure that this park that will be established, built in Islamabad, will serve for the great time and leisure of families and people of Islamabad to come and spend time and know about this friendship and decisions we had. And in the nearest future, we'll make sure that that will be delivered to the people of Islamabad and Pakistan.
Albatta hozir birodarim aytgan hozir dunyodagi qiyin mojaroli mana shu voqealarga birgalikda hamdard bo'lib mana shu Palestin xalqiga qilayotgan G'azo xalqiga mana shu tashabbuslariga biz juda katta birgalikda harakat qilsak, natijamiz ana shu hozirgi murakkab vaziyatga birgalikda bir bo'lib mana shu tashqi ishlar vazirlarimiz bilan birga har bir tashabbusni birgalikda chiqarsak, men o'ylayman hozirgi mana shu juda tahlikali zamonda do'stlik birodarlik baribir tinchlikni yo'lini topishiga ishonaman va biz bir bo'lsak bir yoqadan harakat qilib mana shu dunyo hamjamiyatini bir yoqada qilayotgan juda mana shu muammoli nuqtalariga biz albatta birga harakat qilishga qodirmiz va bu natija bo'lishiga ham ishonamiz.
And of course, as my dear brother, His Excellency Prime Minister mentioned about the complex situation and the turbulent times that we are undergoing through, and a lot of reasons by a lot of problems and the conflicts that we are observing day to day. And on the basis of all of that, I'm truly and fully support the idea of my dear brother to unite our efforts and to make sure that our position will be united, first of all, on the very key and eager situations that we have around the world, starting from the Palestine, in order to provide the long-awaited assistance and support people of Palestine who have been suffering for quite a long time, and many other issues. And we will make sure that through our Minister of Foreign Affairs will be taking each and every step on the basis of the joint agreed actions and the plans, and each and every initiative will be actually discussed and agreed upon by the both parties. If we unite our forces and our efforts, and we will be able to cope with any problems and difficulties that are present nowadays and what might be actually emerging in the future as well.
So'zimni yakunida barchangizni kelgusi oyda keng nishonlanayotgan shonli bayram Pokiston kuni tantanalari bilan ham tabriklayman.
In conclusion, once again, I would like to congratulate all of you on the upcoming grand celebration, the Day of Pakistan Day, that will be celebrated next month.
Musulmon ummati uchun mutabar ayyom, pok niyat va ezgu duolar ijobat bo'layotgan muqaddas Ramazon oyi bilan ham barchangizni chin qalbimdan samimiy muborakbod etaman. E'tiborlaringiz uchun katta rahmat.
I also sincerely congratulate all of you from the bottom of my heart on the holy month of Ramadan, a sacred time for the Muslim Ummah when pure intentions and good prayers are accepted. Thank you very much for your attention.
पाकिस्तान और उज़्बेकिस्तान के दरमियान मुख्तलिफ शोबों में ताउन के 28 मुआहिदों और मुफाहमती याददाश्तों के तबादले की ये तकरीब है। वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ भी मौजूद थे। वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ और सदर उज़्बेकिस्तान शौकत मिर्ज़ायोफ ने मुश्तरका एलामिये पर दस्तखत किए। उज़्बेकिस्तान शौकत मिर्ज़ायोफ को डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ एजाज़ी डिग्री से नवाजा गया।